Hello friends, in this lecture we will solve one question from the forecasting error or ESM method. So we have already taken two lectures on the question series and this is our third lecture and last lecture on the ESM method questions and forecast error. So it is a slightly different question and in GATE mechanical engineering this question has been asked. Okay, so students get confused that how to solve it. So I have taken this question. Okay, so we will read the question first. So the question says the sale of cars in a showroom for 4 consecutive months. Okay, for 4 consecutive months is 70, 68, 82 and 95. So the for first month it is 70, second month, third month and fourth month with alpha equals to 0.4. Okay, so since alpha is given, you will think that it is a ESM method question. Okay, it is a ESM method question, but directly we are not going to apply the formula because you can see that only the demand data is given. Okay, the sale of car, it means these are the demand data, no forecast data is given. So they are asking find the forecast for the next month, or you can say they are asking forecast for the 5th month. Okay, so how to solve it? So first we will tabulate the data. First what we are going to do, first we will make the table. So month and demand. Okay, we will write month data and demand data for first month, second month, third month and fourth month. Okay, we have got 4 months. For the first month it is 70, for the second month it is 68, for the third month it is 82 and for the fourth month it is 95 and alpha is 0.4. So they are asking that find the forecast for the 5th month. Okay, they are asking the forecast for the next month, or you can say 5th month. So no forecast data is given. Okay, in ESM method you know that we require the latest demand and old forecast. So the latest demand data is given, but old forecast data has not been given. So what we will do, we will take the help of infinite series. Okay, I have already told you that the formula, this formula ft equals to ft minus 1 plus alpha dt minus 1 minus ft minus 1. Okay, this formula has been derived from infinite series, so we can't use this formula directly here. Okay, so what we are going to do, we will take the infinite series. So writing the infinite series, okay, we will write the infinite series. So infinite series was ft equals to alpha dt minus 1 plus alpha into 1 minus alpha dt minus 2 plus alpha into 1 minus alpha square dt minus 3 plus alpha into 1 minus alpha cube dt minus 4. Okay, for 4 months. So here ft is f5, so it is going to be alpha is 0.4, so this is 0.4 into this is f5, so this is going to be d4 plus 0.4, 1 minus alpha is going to be 1 minus 0.4, you can write directly that 0.6, this is going to be d3 plus 0.4 into 0.6 square d2 plus 0.4 into 0.6 cube d1. So just put the data d4. Okay, d4 you know this is 95, d3 you already know this is 82, d2 data, okay, see here it is 68 and this d1 is 70, this d1 is 70. Okay, so just calculate it. Okay, so what you are going to get, f5 you are going to get 73.52. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so in this question, since no forecast data is given, okay, no forecast data is given, so this data has not been provided. Okay, so we will take the help of infinite series. Okay, so you need to remember this infinite series. Okay, you need to remember this infinite series. ft will be the f5, so it will be the latest. Okay, we have told you everything. Okay, so you need to remember this infinite series. The answer is going to be 73.52. Okay, so this was a slightly different question, that's why the separate lecture has been made for this type of question. Okay, so just practice it. Okay, so just practice these type of questions. Thank you.